Let me say something that makes people uncomfortable. It might even make you uncomfortable. But it's true. If you want to be competitive in 2026 and beyond, people are not your edge. Machines are. America is only 13th in robotics per 10,000 workers. That's not the future. That's us falling behind right now. And if you think labor alone is going to save your margins, you're already in trouble. Look at the terrible applicants you've seen in the last 12 months. Fact, a modern tube laser will cost less than one employee over a year, and it doesn't call in sick, doesn't quit, doesn't make scrap all day, and doesn't slow down on Fridays, doesn't come in hungover on Monday, and it doesn't have 3 cats that all get cancer. But here's where most shops screw this up. They buy the machine, often the cheapest machine, and never learn how to make it productive. A tube laser only wins if you're trained to run it like a production asset, not a flipper science project. That's why we don't send techs to install your laser. We send engineers, people who talk throughput, nesting, cycle time, and profit. Not someone who sets it up, runs 2 cuts, makes 2 Instagram videos, and hauls ass to the airport. The right tube laser makes people better. The wrong approach makes people miserable. In the AI, robotics, and automation era we are entering, this decision separates the shops that scale from the ones that disappear. Which one do you want to be? Calling us costs you nothing. Do it now before your competition sees this video and calls us first.